Another quick little tip for you guys. When you first start up the screen, after you hit the continue button on the database page, this is what you're met with. I like to have my engine stuff come up automatically over on this side. So if you hit menu, and you hit setup display, I've got it set now, but this one here, PFD startup page, you can turn the split on and off, and then you can select the page that it splits to. So I've got engine selected already. So if we very quickly reboot everything, you'll see that when the screen does boot up, it'll show you the split screen on the right side there. So now after I hit continue, now my engine stuff's over here, and then when I'm ready for engine start, like things that get hidden like fuel pressure and gallons per hour, they're just popped up there for you already.